Offering a 401k. Setting it up correctly in ADP ensures the right amounts are deducted from paychecks and sent to your plan provider. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, the 401k plan itself must be established with a provider. Then, in ADP, you add a new deduction or benefit. You'll configure it as a 401k, specifying whether it's pre-tax or Roth, and setting the employee contribution limits and any employer match formula. Assign this deduction to eligible employees and enter their chosen contribution percentage or flat amount. My crucial pro tip: sync with your plan administrator's deadlines. Know the exact deadline each pay period to send the deducted funds, the deposit date. Set a reminder in ADP to process and transmit contributions well before this deadline to avoid costly compliance penalties. A smooth setup helps your team save for the future without administrative headaches. Do you offer an employer match on your 401k plan? How do you communicate its value? For more guides on employee benefits, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.